For lightning, let's go. Lightning speed. So she gets her LD and BT today. So she's gonna be a top tier DPS. Okay, so there are 2 free pulls. Let's do the free pull first, and then we will chase her LD with tickets. Unless we get her LD right from the ticket, from the free, which is possible. Our LD luck is very good, seriously. But yeah, our jam pool was a disaster actually. Back-to-back PT. First my jam stash. It's Raven, Penelo. Okay. At least I can make use of the Raven. So one Penelo is a stone. Okay, nothing to see here. Let's pull the other free pull. There we go. Oh, LD. Lightning LD, please. Then we will save some tickets. Let's save it. Come on. Lightning LD. Nope. Ugh! It's her EX, which I already have. It's a dupe, but it's an EX nonetheless. This is all stones, this pool. 3 dupes. Okay, let's go with ticket. We are, of course, at the ticket cap again. We will pull until we get her LD. Same as you. My BT luck has been really bad so far. Back-to-back BT PT. Warrior Flights and Puja. Both PT for BT. That's why my jam is so sad right now. You know, I used to be over 1.5 million. Hopefully my luck will turn around, you know. Yeah, in Japan, actually they have the 10 tickets per pull option. You know, I used to think it's useless because we're gonna do the single pull anyway to avoid, you know, the wasting. If we get the let's say BT in the first go on the first ticket, then we waste 9 tickets, right? If we put 10 at the same time. But I changed my mind. I think it's actually very helpful. I would use it right now if that 10 tickets option is here. Why? Because I need 2 weapons on this banner: the BT, Lightning BT, and Lightning LD. I mean, what is the chance if we put 10 random tickets to get both tickets, to get both weapons in that 10 tickets, especially the BT? It's none. So, you know, it's good that if we have multiple weapons on our banner we want, that is actually a very useful option to put 10 tickets in a single pool. So we will pull, let's say, you know, right now, we will pull until we get 1 weapon, BT or LD. And then we do single tickets pull until we pull the second one. So I changed my mind that 10 tickets pull option is actually very useful, and I would use it if, you know, it is here in global. And I think it will be here soon, as any QQL in the past. So we have 0 golds right now, 17 tickets into. The lag, everyone's pulling. You can feel the lag. Okay, that's the first gold. Lightning 35. I think we will juggling between the two banners. It doesn't matter which one we pull. For this banner, we get all lightnings here, except her, LDMP. And we get all missing here also. So we are missing Ed's EX and his 35. We got his 15 and we essentially we need Ed's 35 EX and lightnings LDMP. I hope I can lucksac BT somewhere soon, because the two pities. I think I accumulated edge 35, which is nice. I think I accumulated enough bad luck to have a good one. Lucksac BT now after two pities in a row. Okay, good work. It did it. Lightning LD, come on. Yes, got it. Yes, you're super lucky here. 956. So 43 tickets. Yes. Okay, 43. We're expecting 5 gold plus 2 free draws. We're expecting 9. I think I'm pretty lucky today. Let's review. Okay, that was quick. My LD luck is still here. Oh yeah. All these. Hitting all of them. I have all 8 so far. Okay. Okay, what's this now? 10. Okay, so we got 10 out of 9 expected. Pretty lucky. And we got that like in LD within 43 tickets. No, 56 tickets. No, 43. Okay, guys. I wish you good luck on Lightning's LD BD. Come not.